Well, it's Monday, April 1st. No April Fool's joke here. Week and a half ago, it was 36 degrees when we washed this after practice. Today it is 80 and we're supposed to be dodging tornadoes later. They're saying around 10 o'clock.
We're gonna get her up on the lift, or up on the stands, and get her stripped down and get her cleaned up.
Possibility of practice at Granite City Thursday night. Possibility. Racing Friday night at Granite, and probably Peevely on Saturday night because it's a bi-state race. That's the plan as of right now. Subject to changes depending on how Friday goes.
I'm gonna get her stripped down and get her ready to roll outside and give her a bath.
Nicholas doing some work.
Giving her the final rinse. We're doing good. It's 5 to 6. As soon as he rinses it off, it's ready to go back in. Gets right off.
Could be an interesting night.
We're in a tornado watch till midnight. Gotta love St. Louis weather.
Did I just see something go flying?
The way you're twirling that wand around, you must have did flags in high school.
Fuck. I should have.
So we start the motor just to get a little heat in it, dry it out, any condensation. It may have built up in the cylinders from washing it.
And it is a thunder and a lightning. The plane, boss, the plane.
Nice 74 degrees now. Well, it's Thursday, about 4:30, getting after it. Dave's doing the nut and bolt check, doing his normal stuff. Got us a new Amazon Find Milwaukee battery light. It slides on an 18-volt battery. Pretty slick. Amazon's got them on sale for like 22 bucks right now. I initially seen them on TikTok and got on Amazon and found them there. Peevely announced today they are racing Saturday, so we are just about ready to put her back together and load her in the trailer. Cooper just wants to play all the time. Find anything loose yet?
No, everything was good and tight.
Well, that's good.
I went over to the racetrack with Gene.
Yeah, I seen you. DK's in here reorganizing, making it more efficient.
Think we need one of these?
What in the...
It's to bump over to do valves before they put start buttons in the like the cockpits or
On the firewall?
yeah.
Yeah, I would say we probably don't need that in here. He's getting rid of a lot of junk.
How many more of them black bins like that do we have? These.
I don't know, I will look.
They are. So.
Yeah. You'll be surprised today.
Tire guy Nick,
I'm back.
in the flesh.
Nope. Done a great job.
Wild Bill's on the mend.
I am. So I'll be able to, later on, I'll be able to help put the tires up for you and do all that kind of shit and give you trouble. And you know, the big thing is, I'll be able to see
That's right.
with them lights.
Yep.
Let there be light.
He went in for a rebuild last month and he's on the mend,
I'm
so.
on the men's. 2 weeks today. I'll be doing hopscotches here in just a little while. So
Look like you're doing good.
it's doing good. I got my staples out yesterday and
Yeah.
Got a game plan?
For what?
Tires.
Not really. Probably. Why? Is he asking?
No.
been doing more than what they expect from my exercises. So,
Yeah. Good.
you know what?
We didn't have any right tire reps. That was getting a spot.
Now I'm getting up in the morning, so
What do we got going on here? That's all fine. Is this all forced? It's tough sometimes, Jason. Look at, we got course nuts over here. Course nuts all over here.
That's a mixed bag.
Yeah. It's like McDonald's. You never know what you're gonna get.
Didn't you just take all that out of that drawer?
Well, yeah, but it was scattered.
It's our junk pile.
So actually, we can go mid, longs, nuts, and then engineer mids.
Dyed beard jet black hair. He's got
Mids. With rubber? We're gonna call Tyler and have him make a nice
last ones
decal
were
for it.
covered with rubber. The whole, all four of them.
We're gonna call Tyler and Tyler's gonna print us out a decal. And
Why would you want a decal? You just get marred up.
You get smart up, you order another one.
yeah, God damn. What are those?
They're the pins for the,
Oh,
till Nicholas gets his fancy ones he made. You know, it's with your USB stick.
trash bags are underneath the trash bag.
Underneath it or inside it?
Both.
Okay.
Underneath the trash bag when it gets
Inside.
full. When you
I didn't know if you meant like they were under the can. I was like, well, that's kind of fucked up.
The fuck did they go through the can?
Hey, man.
All right. Well, now I got you guys all organized.
He He couldn't keep a straight face.
I mean, I got this where you can turn on the tank now. You know, which is nice.
We had no problem turning it on.
What do you mean? You got back there finger fucking it to try to turn it on?
You dial it, man. You start dyeing your hair purple, I'm leaving. That's it. I'm done.
Can we now just put the normal rugs down? That's the... We'll put this one down permanently. We'll find... Well, they actually won't even interact with the holes, will it?
Will these?
Yeah, so we'll just poke through them.
No. No. We're fine what we're doing.
Yeah, I like getting to a racetrack too and having to get rugs out. That makes sense.
You don't get them out anyway.
I know.
You don't do anything.
Well,
There comes the first scratch.
I did work really hard for about 15 minutes, and you made $1,200. So, I mean, there's that.
No, we didn't do nothing.
Well, not currently while I was in the car. No, you did not.
We did to Nicholas.
Yeah, but the entire time while I wasn't in the car, you did everything. Or most of it.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah. What's this hole for? You see that? There's one on that side too.
Probably through the side mount.
Where you can put the...
Yeah, the end plates probably bolt on there.
Yeah.
I want to order them, but I gotta wait a little bit.
You gotta win a little more.
Oh,
Yeah,
Have
I
I got
got you.
50, you gotta have a little more 50.
I decided we want them.
he's gonna order them for both of them.
for both of them. Which one?
One's up top.
That one up there too.
So that fucking box didn't come flying.
Yeah,
down
that one kamikazed off the top.
off the top.
Did the elbow drop on the way
Well,
home.
that one I would just
Wait,
wrap
what
an
happened to
angle
the
like we did
trophy?
the other one.
Huh?
You carried over there?
Nicholas carried it over and put it on the rack.
Yeah, it's up there.
Dave was asking.
So Nick and I are talking about going to get Jack in the Box tacos.
Douglas is calling it low-grade dog food.
What's your opinion on Jack in the Box tacos? I think they're pretty damn good.
Greatest fast food item of all time. Oh, yeah, it's fast food for you. It'll clean your colon out.
All we gotta do is put the shocks on this,
Burger King French fries.
put the tires on it Saturday morning, and it's ready to go in the trailer.
Trailer got reorganized, got some stuff out we didn't want, added some stuff we do need.
Are you gonna get tired like that, dude?
Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button for us, please. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race card in the lower right-hand corner.
Yeah, it's a test tire. Oh, that's shit. Great.
I thought he was talking about Cooper peeing.
We will be at Peevely Saturday night as long as they race. They posted today that they are racing, that they didn't get near the amount of rain that Granite City got. So looking for a good field of cars there. Catch you all on Saturday.